Hello, all, this is Nikumbh and welcome to last 10 days preparation strategy for VIZAG still RINL recruitment for management training 2020. So basically lots of requests or messages from you guys regarding sir what we will do in the last 10 days, how we should manage our days, right? Because very crucial time for you, that how you should manage this preparation of last 10 days, very crucial. So that's why if you do any mistake, then it will be hamper your exam marks, final marks, right? That's why this video is for you. I am releasing early before 10 days and I will share with you some tips and tricks so that will help you to get a good score and to crack VIZAG Steel exam 2020. So first of all, exam date is already scheduled on 13th and 14th December, okay, as you already know. So till now, okay, from where we begin our journey for VIZAG Steel, lots of strategy and lots of guidance video I provided to you, okay. But this video is something different. Just it is a light video, not very heavy discussion. Just you can say kind of checklist or summary of your overall VIZAG Steel preparation. Okay. So let's start our video now. So first we will discuss about your syllabus, okay. Now whatever, okay, it is a general for all branches, it is not like for mechanical, electrical and all that. It is general strategy for all branches. So first, if I divide your paper, then you have technical and non-technical, you are well aware of that, okay. First of all, keep in mind that 200 question you will attempt because there is no negative marking, first thing, okay. So you have to attempt 200 by anyhow. Now the thing is in technical, I hope that in the strategy video, as I told you that EAC 10-year previous year papers or question paper you have to solve, okay, and for GATE 1 mark question you have to solve. So I hope you did that already, okay. And those who have taken the test series, just compulsory these 3 tests, that is full length tests, are very important. And for all, one update is there that 6 non-tech tests are added now, so link is in description, just check now, very important for you, not that 6 non-tech tests and this full length test of 200 questions each, right? So you have to revise this only now in the last 10 days. Don't burden yourself, don't take burden on your mind, don't take stress. Just our 9 tests, GATE 1 mark and ESC 10 previous year paper, that's enough, okay. Because all the concepts you will face in the test you will get here there for sure, okay. So this is for technical, and the important thing is that this is the deciding factor for your VIZAG Steel marks, that is your non-tech section, okay. Because in non-tech it is very challenging to handle DI and puzzle, because you can expect the DI and puzzle in non-tech section. That's why I have given the DI, see this section also. So that's why it is important to practice them before exam. In technical everyone will score, because if some student given NLC exam, then they know that the level of question is not that much hard, okay. It's what's easy to moderate basically. So anyone can score now in technical, because technical is little theoretical. Also one thing I want to mention, that just divide your technical subjects into theoretical and numerical, okay. Why? Because see, for the VIZAG, from here direct formula based question you will get, direct formula based, okay. So I hope that your short notes is ready and with a formula list, and just read that formula, revise that formula and try to remember all the formulas. But here they have variety, okay. They can frame any question, theoretical question, and you will puzzle in this only, because this is very crucial for you. So that's why just divide your subjects and just check, okay, check once that whether the theory of that particular subject of that particular chapter is perfect or not, right? So it is very important to check that. So this is your technical part. Now in non-technical, if I start with priority, then yes, it is your current affairs, as I already told you to read all the current affairs which are in our website day wise, okay. And till 8 December just read that, after that don't need. So till 8 December just read that current affairs from the website, right? And then you have quant. So whatever topic I mentioned, just properly follow that, okay. And especially this 6 test comprises of only quant and reasoning, because this is the deciding factor. I will tell you why. and reasoning. Okay, and in the last you have English. So for English now you have, you should complete your basic grammar. Okay, on base that only you will get the basic question, so don't worry about that. But the important thing is that this content reasoning. Okay, so you have to perfectly practice, because see, this marks in is our hand. Okay, this marks is in our hand, because we don't know what current affair they will ask, and if they ask whether you can answer or not. We don't know from English what they will ask. Okay, grammar questions are there, and for synonym antonym, whatever the cards, okay, in the our Telegram center group or our WhatsApp center group are there, just read those synonym and antonym. Okay, don't do anything in that, because all the synonym antonym that I am putting, okay, after analysis only, just now it is not like randomly I putting everything. Okay, so just follow that cards for synonym antonym, that's enough. Okay, and in card also you have use in sentence, so from that just observe how the grammar works. Okay, so it will give you little insight about grammar also if you observe carefully. So that is enough. And for English and for current affair also our website is enough, no need anything that. Now for this content reasoning, I already mentioned the topics in the previous strategy videos. So I hope you do that. Okay, and now it's time to just revise. So though those who didn't take the test now, just take the test. Okay, it is very helpful for you and very useful for you in this 10 days revision. Now the next thing is that the motivation final words for VIZAG by me. So first thing, I will tell you, just relax now. Okay, no need to panic, no need to take tension, stress, nothing. Just relax. Whatever is happen, it happens now. Okay, see, this is our starting point of VIZAG still, and this is our ending. Okay, we are here now. So in between this whole 8 to 9 months, some students have journey like this. Okay, some students have journey like this. Okay, so two types of students are there. So it does not matter now in this 10 days. Okay, if you think like I lost my 2 months because of this, don't think about this, don't think about this. Okay, no, it does not matter. Whatever you have now, just focus on that. That is, you have 10 days. Yes, you can do just proper revision and with a calm mind. Okay, and with a smart study you have to prepare. That's it, right? So that's why don't think about this. This is very irrelevant thing. And if you are on any forum, any platform, any WhatsApp group and all this, okay, and there also cut off and all these discussion vacancies are less. Okay, if there is any discussion like this, just left that. Okay, so I will tell you, just cut off from social media for these 10 days now. And if you want, then you can join our group, because our group is serious group. Okay, no fire or this rubbish discussion is going there. So just cut off yourself and try focus to your preparation is very important. Second thing I will tell you, just revise whatever you do now. Okay, whether it is your test, whether it is your questions, ASC and GATE questions, your short notes, just revise now. Don't do anything new now, because that is very important. Okay, except current affair till 8 December. Next thing is that take proper sleep and food now in this 10 days, because you know the winter is going on and also the corona is also there. So that's why it's very important to take a proper food so that you don't get ill. And also proper sufficient sleep to your mind is necessary. So 7 to 8 hours sleep is necessary for your mind, right? So just take proper sleep so that there are chances that your mind can retain maximum thing that you are giving to your mind throughout the day. That is your revision only, right? So that's why proper sleep is very important for you. Also the most important thing after this is your confidence. So have confidence on yourself. Whatever you do, whatever you did, it will become, it will you can attempt. Okay, you can attempt it, you can make proper use of it. So don't think any negative thing now, just be positive for your VIZAG, right? And obviously you should have confidence on yourself, because see, this is the exam where you don't have negative marking, so 30% stress is gone now. Okay, because 30% stress is because of negative marking only, so only 70%, that is your exam stress, is there. And if you minimize the stress to like 40% or 30%, then it will be higher chances for you to get the selection in the VIZAG stream. That's why paper will be easy. Okay, paper will be easy, so don't worry about that. Paper will be easy. So have faith on yourself, have confidence, because you did hard work, then definitely you will get the success. Okay, and last and most crucial thing, focus on your performance only, not on result. Okay, so whatever the things you did till now and you are doing, just focus on that, how you will perform in the exam. Just this thought should be there in your mind, not this thought. And don't also participate in a discussion like of this also. Okay, so just focus on yourself, just focus on your performance, and your performance, how it will be improved with this point and this point, right? So yes, this is the final tips for you. I hope you find it helpful. So just like the video, and most important, those who didn't take the test series now, you can take and you can revise the test in 10 days. Okay, and our test 3 for all those who are taken, for our test 3 is on Sunday. So yes, on Sunday we will complete this. Okay, and in the next week you will get a non-tech section also. So yes, this was all about VIZAG. If you think anything more you require for VIZAG, then yes, comment down below. I will message you. If you want to talk with me personally, then on Instagram also you can DM us. Okay, I will talk to you if you feel. So don't worry about that. Just be focused and be. And after VIZAG, just message or comment on video and tell how was your paper. Okay. So be focused, be working, whatever the things are in the summary video, and yes, you will be definitely get the success. Okay, all the best.